So Mangalam would have not seen the 90s ka bull market and 2003 ka bull market, but he's worked on the 23, the year which has been. Can you just give us the number and the data?
Yeah, you guys were talking about long periods, etc. I thought it's the last day of the year. So let's tell you what exactly the markets did in the last 1 year itself. Of course, we all know it, but let's put some numbers to that as well. 8 years of positive returns is what we've seen in 2023. So let's tell you, in these 8 years of positive returns that we've seen, we've gone through a pandemic, we've gone through multiple wars in the world, we've gone through, GST implementation, demonetization, all these worries, and the Nifty has compounded at around 13% itself. If someone told you at the start of this year that, you will manage to hit a record high in the trough of March where we were around that 16,000 points, people had said, yes, we'll take it with both hands. And take it with both hands is what they've done itself. Because at the start of the year, the market was looking at a lot of walls of worries. The US Fed tightening, we had, high inflation, the FII selling from emerging markets, and geopolitical tensions in the world as well. But everywhere there is a wall of worry, there are lands of opportunities, and India was that land of opportunity. The India growth story, political and currency stability in India, that's what worked in our favor. Strong domestic and SIP flows, nearly $2 billion per month coming in. Government-backed themes in our markets doing well as well. And at the same time, we had the rise of luxury and leisure demand post-COVID coming in too. What also helped us was some good performance coming in other global markets. The Nifty ended 20% higher this year. Of course, the 8th consecutive year of gain. On a percentage basis, it may have underperformed NASDAQ, S&P 500, Nikkei, and Brazil. But remember, on a compounded growth basis, it has been a rank outperformer. And it has also outperformed some of the other important markets. If you just take a look at it, it's better than Dow Jones, it's better than the FTSE, definitely better than the Chinese indices, which corrected. This year has been the year of mid and small caps. Both these indices have gained anywhere around 50%. And these are indices, so individual stocks have done a lot better. And who's made a lot of money? We've had the PSE index. This year is definitely the year of the public sector enterprises. 81% higher on that index, followed by Nifty Realty, Autos, and Nifty Pharma doing well. Nifty Bank was an underperformer with a gain of just 12% this year. The FII sold about 15,000 crores this year. And the domestic institutional investors, they showed the money, almost 15,000 crores every month in the year 2023, 1,68,433 crores and counting in the Indian markets by the domestic institutional investors. The Nifty gainers, top of the ranks, Tata Motors, the one Nifty stock that doubled this year, NTPC, Bajaj Auto, Coal India, L&T, all of them doing extremely well. Some of the underperformers included some heavyweights like HUL, Reliance, and Infosys as well. So let's see how they perform in the next year. It was the themes that did well this year. So let's talk about the themes. The PSUs, REC, PFC, near 250% gains. BEHEL, NBFC, all of them 130 to 140% gains coming in. If you were in a defense PSU, you made a lot of money as well. The Mazagon Dock, we had Cochin Shipyard, HAL, BDL, BEL, all of them doing extremely well. And then we had the railway theme. This one was really in the fast track. 360% for Titagarh, 200% for Texmaco, Railtel, Ircon, RVNL, moving anywhere between 150 to 190% as well. And with the markets doing so well, why wouldn't the capital markets theme itself do well? BSC up 310%. Anand Rathi, Angel One, the financialization of savings did extremely well this year in 2023 as well. But let's talk about a couple of these underperformers. We had Delta Corp plagued by regulatory issues. Easy Trip, AB Fashion, Page Industries were some notable underperformers. But let's end on a high. These were the stars of 2023. And I had to cut off gains at 250%. So we had Suzlon, Inox Wind from the wind energy space do well, Zentech from the defense space, and Piccadilly Agro. This is the company that makes the Indri single malt, 550% in 2023 itself. So with that, it's a wrap on 2023. It's over to 2024. Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.